So in the C4 2.5, the location of the thermostat is right here. So we gotta just connect this hose, another hose down here, this bracket, because it looks like I have a screw down here attached to the thermostat. It's this bracket right here, here and down, and here. You gotta unplug this clip, and this is the sensor. Here you can see a groove, and it looks like I have a clip. So I see in other videos where they take the clip off and then you slide the hose out. So I'm gonna try that. Only problem, the C4, we have about 2 inches from here, about 2.5 inches from this side for the hose. Same thing down here. So it's gonna be pretty hard to change this with this limited space. And also you can't even see the screws. Good thing we don't have a fan to remove, because they're all electric, and this metal frame is like real. It's just, you're not gonna be able to take it apart. So I'm gonna keep recording to see if I can even change it, but gotta be puzzled.